So guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a complete storyboard and product visuals using Nano Banana 2, which is now available inside Lovart AI. Nano Banana 2 is designed for fast, high quality, and cost-efficient image generation, which makes it ideal for daily creative workflows. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a storyboard, animate it, and even create Amazon product listing images step by step. So let's get started. So guys, to create this storyboard, simply come to Lovart and sign in to your account. After signing in, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that. As soon as you click it, an interface like this will appear. And guys, this is a very powerful interface. It's not just a normal one. All of our work will be done right here, so don't underestimate it. On the side panel, you'll see many options such as carousel, social media, logo and branding, storyboard, brochures, Amazon product listing. From these options, simply click on Storyboard. Once you click on Storyboard, the most important thing to keep in mind here is that your model should be set to Nano Banana 2. After selecting Nano Banana 2, you can try some preset storyboard options provided by Lovart. You can generate a storyboard from those if you want to test it. But if you want to generate your own storyboard, you should do it using your own character prompt. That's what I'll be doing here. First, enter your character prompt in the prompt box. Once you enter the prompt, press enter. After pressing enter, the AI agent will analyze everything and automatically create things for you in a very effortless way. Then it will ask whether you want to generate a single image or a multi-panel storyboard. If you want full control over the format and layout of each image, you can do it manually by entering prompt for all images and scenes. But for now, we'll go with the default option. So we'll simply click on multi-panel storyboard. Once we click it, a short prompt will automatically appear. Press enter again. The AI agent will start thinking once more and prepare the complete storyboard sequence with multiple shots. After that, it will ask for confirmation whether you want to make any changes or proceed with the current sequence. If needed, you can review and modify it, or tell the bot to do any other changes you like. But for now, everything looks good to me, so I'll proceed by clicking Proceed with Sequence and pressing Enter. Now the AI agent will start visualizing the character design. As you can see, it's generating the character image, and it does it very quickly. So now our character is generated. Just take a look at the quality of the character. It's actually very impressive. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate it or change things like clothes, shoes, pants, face, skin tone, or anything else. You just need to tell the AI agent and it will update it. But in my case, the character looks great, so I won't change anything. Now I'll simply scroll down and click Approve Character and then press Enter. After clicking Enter, the AI agent will begin processing again. Now we're on step 3, where the agent automatically writes a script for the storyboard. As you can see, it has already generated a script very quickly. You can review the script and make any changes if needed, whether it's increasing the length, modifying visuals, or adjusting the character actions, or just add whole script by yourself. But for me, the script looks fine, so I'll simply click Approve Script and press Enter. Now the AI agent will start generating all the storyboard panels. And just like that, you can see it has generated multiple shots of the character very quickly. The character consistency across all images is impressive. The same character, same clothing, and very consistent visuals. However, to be honest, I want to test something else. Instead of keeping the character in the same environment, I want the character to appear in different locations to check the consistency. So I'll simply tell the AI agent that I want scenes in different locations and hit enter. Now, just take a look in a few seconds. The AI will then give a couple of location options to choose from. You can select whichever one you prefer, or simply tell agent to generate different image for different scene. But I'll pick one option and press enter. Now the AI agent will regenerate the storyboard with 6 scenes in different locations. And as you can see, all 6 scenes are now in different places while maintaining the same character consistency. Even the body movement and pose look very natural. Now that all the characters and scenes are generated, the next step is to create the storyboard sheet. For that, simply click Create Storyboard Sheet. Once you press enter, the tool will generate the storyboard layout for you. At this point, most of the work is done. The next step is animation. You can animate each scene individually if you want different movements in each scene. But for now, we'll animate everything together. So I'll type now animate all scenes and press enter. The AI agent will start processing again and generate the video. And as you can see, the videos are generated very quickly. Let's take a look at few of them. the quality is actually really good. Now there's one more feature I want to show you. For example, if your image looks perfect, but you want to change a specific object inside it, you can do that very easily. To do this, simply hold the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac. Then click on the object you want to change. Once you click it, you just need to type in the chat what you want instead of that object. For example, I'll just type something simple like remove this thing and add a traffic light. This is only an example to demonstrate the feature, so don't take this specific prompt seriously. As soon as I type it and press enter, AI will start processing, and now just look at this. The image changes naturally. And the best part is that it's almost impossible to notice that anything was edited. Now that we've generated the storyboard, let's move on to Amazon product listing, image generation. For that, we'll simply open a new project, then select Amazon product listing. Next, add your reference image, the product image for which you want to generate listing photos. After adding the reference image, press enter. The AI bot will start scanning the image and then provide some options for what you want to generate. For now, we want to generate Amazon listing images, so I'll simply copy that option and paste it here. If you want to generate anything else, like lifestyle images, banners, or other visuals, you can just tell the AI agent and it will handle everything for you. Now, instead of generating one image at a time, I'll generate 50 images in a single batch to explore multiple variations quickly. Once I hit enter, the AI will start generating multiple images together. And just like that, all the images are generated. Let's take a look at them. Now let me quickly scroll through them. As you can see, we now have multiple variations instantly, which makes it much faster to select the best design instead of generating images one by one. The quality is really impressive, and you can see that it has even added small product details and text elements automatically. If you want to change anything, text, colors, layout, or features, you can easily modify it. By using Text Editor or Edit Elements, I'll show you how to use these features at the end of the video. For now, let's generate another image. First, paste your prompt. After that, add your reference image. Once the reference image is added, press enter, and within seconds, the AI will generate the image. Take a look at the result. The quality looks great. The colors and overall presentation are very clean. If you want to add your brand name, you can easily do that as well. Just tell the AI agent in the chat, and it will update the design for you. Now let's generate one more image for same product. Paste the prompt again and add another reference image, then press enter. As you can see, the results look really good again. The colors, layout, and overall quality are excellent. Before we finish, let me show you one more useful setting. If you want to edit the text inside any image, click on the image you want to edit. You'll see an option called Edit Text. Click on Edit Text, and after a short loading time, a panel will appear where you can edit all the text in the image. And here you can edit every single word of the image. Now, for example, if the image currently says bomber jacket, you can change it to something else like biker jacket. Within a few seconds, the text will update directly inside the image, and that's it. Now, before moving forward, let me show you another powerful feature called Edit Elements. Instead of regenerating the entire image again and again, you can directly edit specific parts of your image. Now imagine you want to move any element in your image. Here's what you do. Simply select your image and click on Edit Elements. Within a few seconds, all the elements in the image will be separated. After that, you can easily move any element wherever you want. If you want to delete something, you can do that too. Now let me quickly show you by editing the text. I'll select this image, click on Edit Elements, and as you can see, everything is now separated. Now I can change the font of the text, adjust its size, and even reposition it anywhere in the image. Not just that, I can also move other elements like the jackets or even delete them if I want. So that's how you can create storyboards, animations, and product visuals using Nano Banana 2. If you want to try it yourself, click my exclusive invite link pinned in the description of this video. Right now, because Nano Banana 2 just launched, Lovart is offering up to 50% off. So it's a great time to test it.